Hey guys, another day. We're working on a different kind of car today. Ooh. Got a 5th gen runner, off-road edition, with some old man 3-inch kit, SPCs, TRDs, Geos. It belongs to that guy. Hello.
Hi.
He's Jason. Today we're putting on this. That's what we're doing today. It's hot. I told him 9 o'clock. I didn't think about the sun. She's beaming. Oh boy. But yeah, I don't know how to do this one, so he's gonna tell me what to do. And then, you know, he already got his roof all lined. Cause once the Prinsu goes on, you ain't washing under there, I'll tell you that much. What are we doing?
Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Figure it out, yeah.
Yep.
He's trying to take off that plastic, but you know, like I said, we don't know what we're doing. Might break something, might not. We'll see. Get back to you after we get all this shit off. All right, got the caps off. 412 mils. All right. This looks familiar. Okay. Okay. We went with the full length or the half length?
Full.
Hey, he big balling that side. Yes, sir. We don't mess around. Side piece. Oh, stickers. Stickers. Can't lose that. Can't lose that. Yeah. Yeah. He even balled out on the wind thingy, majigger, whatever, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Crossbars. That's exactly why I say you're not gonna wash the roof after this. Probably have like that much room to scrub and dry. Nice. This is why you lay out all your parts, people. All right. Not gonna say any names or anything, but somebody messed up. Supposed to have 2 of these for front support. Well, only get 1, boo. Motherfucker. So, you know, I'll make some phone calls real quick and see if we can install it later. And they'll just give us another piece. Or if we gotta box it all back up, then get just a whole new box. Hopefully we can install it though, because I don't think that's crazy important right now, but we still need that. Quality control. Well, not here. Wow. All right. Well, we decided to just build it, put it up, because I mean, those aren't too important that they need to be put on now. Can always be put on later. So we just got it lightly tightened. That way we can still move it around once we throw it up there. Yeah, he's just putting the wind deflector together right now. It's hot, boys.
Super hot.
Shit. Oh, also, thing came with like what, 8 crossbars. He's only using 5. So the more you put, also these things, when you wash the car, they drip water from here, because all the water gets collected inside of these channels right here, and they just drip for hours after you wash the car. And then when you come back to the car, water spots all down your car. Irritating, let me tell you, firsthand. So yeah, the less you put, the easier it is for cleaning. And you know us, we're just here for show. We ain't gonna use this for a damn thing. Oh shit. But yeah, 5 is plenty, I think. We're not over here trying to load a elephant, you know what I'm saying? Okay, slide it down the pole. Yeah, 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 yeah. A little more. A little more. Yeah. Like that. And we're just gonna throw that on the front. And then drill some holes in the car. No. All right. All right. Check back in. Ooh, he's rich. He bought that too. See, he get full length and he buy the weather stripping. He get money. I should have joined the military too. Yeah? What you think? Hey. I also just noticed he opted for the cutout for a light bar. Shit. He got money. Yeah. Yeah, everything is just loosely put together. Waiting on one more hand so we can lift this guy onto the roof. Also, I got some silicone, you know, some window door projects. This ain't neither of that, but she waterproof. 7 times stronger. Outdoor, indoor. 100% more flexibility. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong. Yeah, we're just waiting on one more hand. And then we'll throw that guy up. Wow. Got some silicone, drop the spacer on top. All 4. And then, yeah. Done deal. This truck too high, dog. Lifted problems, you know what I'm saying? True 3-inch, also leveled. All right. I mean, maybe not right now because we're on a hill, but you know, trust me, that thing level. Most of you guys is all still looking like that. Ew. Level your shit. Come on. You're already doing 3-inch. You at least level it. Shit. Yeah? Yeah. Yes, sir. Alrighty. I think we're gonna throw this up because our other guy taking too long. Okay, are you by your ladder? Okay, go up. Alright, sorry guys, video cut off, but she's up, yo. Tighten that bolt, boy. She already got the roof all protected with some 10-year type vinyl shit. I don't know what it is. there. Oh, pro tip, put a drop cloth just in case. Don't want to scratch nothing. See? See? Look, that would have left a scratch right there. See? Oh, what you doing? He's over here trying to crank on already. Okay, hold on. I think you got to push it back to me. Stand by. Bang. Well, ended up throwing in 2 more of the crossbars because this middle section was a little too flimsy. He's just gonna have to deal with the drips. Nice. Take this guy out. Yeah. All that's left pretty much is just those front supports. But like I said in the beginning, we're missing one because somebody... Right, looks good, looks good. Close this. Look at the timing.
Perfect timing.
Unbelievable.
Dude, I was doing errands.
Everybody got a friend like that. Leave a comment. Leave a comment.
Oh, dude, you guys did good. Oh, right in time for the rain.
Right in time for the rain. Yes.
You put silicone?
No, chancing them.
Huh?
We're gonna chance it. Chance it. I need silicone.
What is that? Like RTV? You're overland now. Save some pussy for everyone else, alright? Should drive around Walmart now. These are air on the OTODs, yeah?
All done.
Thanks, brother Dane.
Yes, sir. All done. Next, you just gotta buy that light bar. Yeah, just in time. Started drizzling a little bit. Well, that's it, guys. Until the next one, like, comment, subscribe. Bye.